Best Sport Motorcycles 2025, Husqvarna Svartpilen 801. Husqvarna has made a significant leap in the sport motorcycle market with the launch of its 2025 Svartpilen 801. Known for their unique blend of rugged aesthetics and cutting-edge performance, Husqvarna has delivered a motorcycle that promises to captivate riders looking for a blend of modern technology and distinctive design. At the heart of the Husqvarna Svartpilen 801 is a new 799 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, tuned to deliver a thrilling 105 horsepower and 64 lb-ft of torque. This engine ensures powerful acceleration and a dynamic riding experience, whether navigating urban environments or taking on winding country roads. The Svartpilen 801's lightweight frame and responsive engine make it a nimble and agile machine, ideal for riders seeking a versatile and engaging ride. The 2025 Svartpilen 801 reflects Husqvarna's commitment to innovation and exceptional design, said Rafael Zambelli, Husqvarna's global brand manager. This model not only pushes the boundaries of performance but also embodies the unique style and heritage that Husqvarna is known for. Visually, the Svartpilen 801 is a standout with its minimalist yet rugged design. The bike features a stripped-down aesthetic, emphasizing its raw mechanical beauty. The matte black finish, round LED headlight, and trellis frame contribute to its distinctive look. The design elements harken back to Husqvarna's Scandinavian roots, blending simplicity with functionality. The 2025 Svartpilen 801 also places a strong emphasis on rider comfort and ergonomics. The upright riding position, combined with a well-padded seat and wide handlebars, ensures a comfortable and controlled ride. The advanced suspension system, featuring adjustable front forks and a rear monoshock, provides excellent handling and ride quality, adapting to a variety of road conditions. Technological advancements are at the forefront of the Svartpilen 801's design. The motorcycle comes equipped with a high-resolution TFT display that provides all essential ride information at a glance, including speed, gear position, and navigation. Additionally, the Svartpilen 801 features multiple riding modes, traction control, and cornering ABS, allowing riders to customize their riding experience and enhance safety. Industry experts have praised the Svartpilen 801 for its combination of style, performance, and technology. The Svartpilen 801 is a bold and exciting addition to Husqvarna's lineup, remarked motorcycle journalist Lisa Chen. Its powerful engine, advanced electronics, and striking design make it a compelling choice for sport motorcycle enthusiasts. Enthusiasts worldwide are eagerly anticipating the arrival of the Husqvarna 2025 Svartpilen 801 at dealerships, eager to experience its unique blend of performance and style. With its innovative technology, distinctive design, and engaging riding dynamics, the Svartpilen 801 reaffirms Husqvarna's position as a leader in the sport motorcycle market. This new model is set to attract a wide range of riders, from urban commuters to adventure seekers, all looking for a motorcycle that stands out in both form and function.